Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, and a review on the Revolution Makeup Revolution London times Alexis Stone Transformation Palette. It says it's cruelty free and vegan, and of course 12 months, and to recycle the container, well, the box once you're done with it. So it's like this. So once out of the packaging, it looks like this. So this is kind of like a matte feeling on it, which I don't complain because it lets me grip it better, especially if you're applying it. So let's see. Ooh. Oh wow. So right off the bat, the colors are very beautiful. I do see that there's no mirror. It does come with this protection film, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off just for right now. I do like putting the protection films back on if they come with them, just because I like it. These are very pretty, guys. Let's see if you guys can see these. It's time for swatching, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start from the top all the way to the bottom. What I am seeing in camera that you guys might not be able to tell is that this color right here in camera, it looks a little bit green, kind of like green. Start moving it to the sides, it's like a hollow, and it turns to like brown, like when I swatched it here. So you guys see that color in the palette, but it's all of that color right there. It's just with movement. It's like a hollow. I like it. Okay, now let's go ahead and try it on. This is the final product. What do you guys think? Final review, guys. Out of 10, I would give this a 9. The only reason I would give it a 9 is because it has more fallout than other palettes. Don't get me wrong, every eyeshadow palette will have fallout, but this one had a lot of fallout. Also, I used different brushes. I used my fingers in order to apply the glitter eyeshadow, which it wasn't really sticking to my eyelids, but I figured it out. But it took me a long time, so that's the reason why I give it a 9 out of 10. The packaging, it's smooth. When you're using these glitters, they're not rough on your eyelids like other glitters. Like, I've tried other eyeshadow palettes that have glitters and they're really tough on your eyelids. These are not. These are smooth. They build up well, as you can see. I was battling a little bit with that, but I really like it. It looks really pretty. The colors are really, really gorgeous. It looks different in camera than it does in person. In person, it looks more glittery. I like the hollow better. Then when I swatched it or applied it on me, it kind of looks a little bit more glittery muted, if that makes sense. I don't know if you guys can see if it focuses. There's like big old chunks of them. It doesn't have any eyeshadow names like some other palettes do. It just has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's just me. Again, this is my opinion of what I... Meanwhile, you guys see it a little bit less hollow and... a little bit less glittery or more hollow. It has both of those in person, I'm telling you guys. Even if I look at myself in the mirror, it's more glittery and hollow than what it is actually showing in the camera. So, I really like this. I really like this palette and I will be using this palette again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos. Again, if you are subscribed, thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. And until next time, bye guys.